skincare is very important because this will stay with you forever. So start taking care of your skin now to delay your aging process. आप जितना अभी से ध्यान रखेंगे, you will have less trouble in your 30s and 40s and you'll see आपकी जो aging process है वो slow हो जाएगी. Well, honestly, there's just one formula to achieve good skin, which is CTM, which is cleaning, toning and moisturizing. It's very important कि आप ये steps कब कर रहे हैं और कैसे कर रहे हैं. उसमें अगर आप गलती कर रहे हैं तो it won't help you in getting good skin. जो मैं आज का जो focus point होगा वो exfoliation पे काफ़ी होगा इस वीडियो में, because यहाँ काफ़ी लोग गलती करते हैं. Either they are not exfoliating the skin or either they are exfoliating too much. And when it comes to moisturizing the face, काफ़ी लोग confuse हो जाते हैं कि face serum पहले लगाना चाहिए कि face cream. So I'm gonna tell you about all those things in this video. So keep watching because I'll be doing all those steps right here in front of you guys. And before we jump into the video, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Do drop in your comments if you have any questions or queries. So let's get started. So CTM में पहला step जो होता है which is cleaning. Okay, so my face is absolutely clean right now. मैंने face wash use करा था सुबह उठते से ही. And now the second step is exfoliating your skin. What is exfoliation? जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, well, exfoliation is basically using any kind of face scrub. Now how does exfoliation helps? Well, it helps to remove dead skin cells and hence it gives you a nice healthy glowy skin. Also it's important to know आपको कब exfoliate करना चाहिए और कैसे exfoliate करना चाहिए. So exfoliation आप सिर्फ 2 बार वीक में करें, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करें. Don't do it every day. It's not recommended because if you're doing it too much, then you can end up damaging your skin cells, which is not good, right? So today I have this face scrub with me. Now this one is from Lotus Botanical and I really wanted to introduce this product to all of you. So this is how the packaging looks. So now this face scrub has natural baking soda in it. Now baking soda has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. So I'll just quickly read out what this product claims. So it gently exfoliates, helps clear acne, pimples and blackheads. So this product costed me 345 rupees and ये product क्योंकि paraben free है, sulfate free है, silicone free है, so it's absolutely safe to use on skin. And yes, it's made in India. So now let's talk about the application part. So आप जब भी face scrub use करते हैं, make sure that your face is little wet. थोड़ा सा damp कर लीजिए face को. So मेरे पास ये पानी का spray, मैं थोड़ा सा अपना face गीला कर लेती हूँ. I'm taking out the product. I'm just applying this on the face and I'll gently start moving my fingers in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. A lot of people forget to scrub the chin area or this part of the nose, the corners, and वहाँ पे काफ़ी impurities और dirt accumulate हो जाती है. So make sure you don't do that. इस एरिया में यूजुअली हम सबको blackheads हो जाते हैं. So it's important that आप यहाँ पे भी स्क्रब करिए अच्छे से because this scrub helps to remove blackheads also. Well, talking about the texture, ये जो स्क्रब है, I mean it's very soft on the skin. बिल्कुल भी harsh नहीं लग रहा है. अब इसके जो granules हैं, they are very small. कोई बड़े granules नहीं है. किसी face scrub से my skin starts turning red just because the granules are big. So this is very soft on the skin and I'll quickly wash my face and then come back. Guys, I'm back after washing my face and actually if I touch my skin, मेरी skin बहुत soft feel कर रही है. Even if I touch my nose, like I cannot feel any blackheads. Yes, of course, this face scrub has removed all the dirt, impurities and dead skin cells from my face and hence मेरी skin glow करने लग गई है. It's looking very healthy. Okay, so now let's go on to the second step, which is using a toner. So मेरे पास रोज़ वाटर है जो मैंने एक ऐसी स्प्रे बॉटल में डाल दिया है. So मैं ये नेचुरल रोज़ वाटर है, मैं बस इसे अपने फेस पे स्प्रे कर रही हूँ। एंड नाउ आई विल मॉइस्चराइज माई स्किन। जब हम मॉइस्चराइजिंग की बात करते हैं तो आपने मार्केट में काफ़ी फेस सीरम्स देखे होंगे, ऑयल देखे होंगे, फेस क्रीम देखी होगी, राइट। नाउ क्या पहले अप्लाई करना चाहिए? पहले हम फेस सीरम लगाते हैं स्किन में बिकॉज स्किन एब्जॉर्ब्स दैट फास्टर एंड देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट हम फेस क्रीम लगाते हैं। ओके, सो मैं जो आज फेस क्रीम और फेस सीरम लगा रही हूँ, दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम लोटस बोटानिकल एंड दीज आर एक्चुअली एनरिच्ड विद विटामिन सी। ये दोनों विटामिन सी एनरिच्ड हैं। नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स. So this serum will cost you 745 rupees and this is a 30-gram bottle. So now this one is vitamin C skin brightening face serum. It boosts radiance, helps reduce pigmentation. Now this product is silicone free. There are no preservatives, no toxic chemicals at all. Now vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and it's a great ingredient to be applied on the skin because it helps in reducing pigmentation. It also helps in reducing darkness and it has brightening effects and it will give you an even skin tone. You just need like a pea size quantity, not much. This is the quantity that I have taken. When you're applying a face serum, you should always dab it into your skin. This face serum is absolutely lightweight in texture and you won't feel sticky or oily on the skin. The skin feels very soft and the serum smells really nice. After this, guys, I am moving to my moisturizer. This one is Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Cream from Lotus Botanical. Now this face cream will cost you 595 rupees and it's a 50-gram bottle. Both these bottles are nice glass bottles, so packaging wise they are absolutely great. Now this skin brightening day cream has SPF 25 in it with PA+++ level and it is good for all skin types and it is also silicone free. So I'm taking this little cream here and I'm gently massaging it on my skin. Very lightweight again and it smells very good. Since this day cream also has vitamin C in it, it helps to fade away pigmentation and blemishes and also it helps to restore the natural moisture of your skin and gives you a nice glowing healthy skin. So you can see my face is instantly, it has started glowing. And when I started the CTM process, उससे पहले मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dull लग रही थी and you can see the huge difference now. So my skin feels absolutely rejuvenated. ऐसा लग रहा है नई skin है मेरे पास and I'm not kidding, I'm feeling fresh, When my skin feels good, I feel good from within and mood अपने आप uplift हो जाता है. So yes guys, I am done taking care of my skin with these products from Lotus Botanical. Absolutely love them. That's about it guys. I hope ये video helpful था, informative था आप लोगों के लिए. Also please feel free to comment if you have any suggestions, any questions. I'll see you all soon. Take care of yourself and take care of your skin. Make sure it's healthy and glowing. Bye guys.